Welcome to Shea's Buffalo. This building was first designed to be a movie theater, and later was switched into a live theater. The building was threatened to be closed down twice. Over the years, Shea's has become really run down and falling apart, and that's where this ECC class comes in. The ECC class is working on restoring Shea's to its previous glory, making it look like it did about 100 years ago. Welcome to the Shea's restoration. Just like any other class, you're going to have a teacher. They're not going to let you go work on the building without being taught how to do it first. And you have, like you would with any other class, a test. Some of them are a little different. You have a couple hands-on tests. And where you have to go around and try to find different items. Can you tell what this is? What do you think it is? Ah, it's a lamp on a wall going up the stairs. Some of them are pretty well hidden. It's kind of hard. But if you can find 100 or more, you're doing pretty well. And don't forget, there's always the dreaded midterm. Study up for this one. Once you learn how to do some of this stuff, you can finally get your hands dirty. You work from tearing down walls, to stenciling. Molding flowers. Plastering. ragging are just a few. You're gonna have to fix those holes you bust out of the walls. But one other area you can't forget is the field trips. You'll take 2 of them. One to the Basilica, where you'll appreciate all the different artwork there. And the second one is to the haunted attic of Shea's. But watch your step. If you fall off the walkway, it's a long way down. So why don't you join us next semester for the Shea's restoration class?